Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the US. I'm super excited you could join us. It's Monday, which means it's Casing the Catalog Monday. Now my inspiration I found on page 91 in our annual catalog. Now this stamp set is the bundle price is retiring, but this stamp set and punch will be in our new catalog that will be coming up soon. So this is the card we're creating today. My inks today, I'm using the Balmy Blue and the Memento. My stamp set today, I'm using the Daisy Delight. It does come with a coordinating punch, which I like to write on my case as well as on the side. So whenever I grab it, I know that there's a coordinating punch. The designer series paper today, we are using the Gingham Gala, and this comes with a variety of different colors, which is great. So you can see I did one in the Daffodil Delight, one in the Gorgeous Grape, and then today we're going to do it in the Balmy Blue. My card base today is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. I went ahead and ran this through the Big Shot, and this is with the stitched rectangles. That's these guys right here. I just grabbed a frame and ran the designer series paper through my Big Shot. I also have a piece of Whisper White, and this is for the inside of the card because we never want to leave the inside of the card blank. And this piece is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And all you're going to do is you're going to fold your card base in half along your score line. You're going to take your Memento ink and you are just going to stamp "Thank You" down in the corner. I'm now using my multi-purpose liquid glue. I'm just going to attach this to the front of my card, and you can decide which side you want. You will notice this has got bigger squares and that's got the smaller squares, so you can pick and choose what side you want your card, your designer series paper. And again, if you wanted to stamp, you could do some tone-on-tone stamping as well. I'm just leaving it blank. You can also run this through your Big Shot with an embossing folder. But again, I'm just leaving this blank. We're going to come now and do quickly our inside. Get this out of the way. And I am just going to stamp some of these little flowers. I have my Balmy Blue, and I'm just going to add this over the flowers, just like so. You can now attach this to the inside of your card. I used the 3/4 inch circle punch. This is on the retirement list, so if you want it, you may want to snag it up now. I went ahead and I punched out a basic black circle. We are going to use the leaves, and we're going to punch out some leaves with the lemon lime twist. Now this lemon lime twist is retiring. So if you do love this color, you may want to snag up a bunch of cardstock, the ink pads, the re-inkers. You want to stock up on all that stuff before it's gone. It is while supplies last, so bear that in mind when you are, going there to grab stuff. I have Whisper White, and again, this is just like a scrap piece of Whisper White. And we are going to use the Daisy Punch punch out 2 of those. And then all you're going to do is you're going to put your daisy together. Now I'm just manipulating the petals with my fingers. You can use glue dots for this as well, but I have my glue and I'm just going to use my glue. You want to offset your flowers so it looks a little bit more full. Going to add your basic black center. I will have a written detailed description with measurements over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. I do encourage you to go over there and go and have a look. If you enjoyed today's project, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. I hope you guys will join me back here on Wednesday. I've got a super, super cute project to share with you. And then you're just going to attach this to the front of your card, like so. Super easy, you guys. We love that. And again, you can, mix and match your colors. Give it as a gift set. Just a fun card to create. Oh, this one I have a glue dot on here because I was doing picture taking. So, that is our card for today, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. We'll see you on Wednesday. Take care.